Tim and Tom. Once, in a small village near a big forest, lived two brothers named Tim and Tom. Tim, the elder, was known for his wisdom and cautious nature, while Tom, the younger, was full of curiosity and boundless energy. Their parents had passed away when they were young, leaving them to depend on each other for everything. One sunny morning, as the first rays of sunlight filtered through their small wooden house, Tim and Tom decided to embark on an adventure. They had often heard tales from the village elders about a hidden treasure deep within the forest. "Let's find the treasure," said Tim, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Tom nodded eagerly, a grin spreading across his face. They packed a small bag with essentials, some bread, cheese, water, and an old map their father had left them. The map was faded and torn at the edges, but it was said to be the key to the hidden treasure. The brothers set off with a spring in their step, their excitement palpable. As they entered the forest, the towering trees seemed to welcome them with open arms. The path was narrow and winding, and the forest was alive with the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves. They followed the map diligently, looking for the clues that would lead them to the treasure. After walking for a while, they came across a sparkling stream. "The map says we need to cross the stream," said Tom, peering at the map. Tim looked around and found a fallen log that served as a bridge. They carefully walked across the log, holding on to each other for balance. On the other side of the stream, they saw a small hill. According to the map, the treasure was supposed to be on the other side of this hill. They began to climb. The hill is steep and covered with bushes. As they reached the top, they paused to catch their breath and take in the view. "This is amazing," said Tom, his eyes wide with wonder. "I feel like we can see the whole world from up here." Tim smiled, his heart swelling with pride and love for his brother. "Let's keep going. The treasure is waiting for us." They climbed down the hill and continued their journey, the path becoming more challenging as they went deeper into the forest. After a while, they reached a clearing with a large, ancient tree in the center. "Look at that tree. It matches the one of the map," said Tim, pointing excitedly. They ran to the tree, their hearts pounding with anticipation. Under the tree, partially buried in the ground, they found a small old chest. "We found it!" shouted Tom, his voice echoing through the clearing. Tim and Tom knelt down and carefully dug around the chest, their fingers trembling with excitement. The chest was heavy and covered in dirt and leaves. Together they managed to lift it out of the ground. They sat down and opened the chest together. Inside, they found a collection of gold coins, shiny jewels, and a rolled up piece of parchment. The treasure glittered in the sunlight, casting a warm glow on their faces. This is incredible, said Tim, his voice barely above a whisper. Look at all this treasure. Carrying the chest between them, they began their journey back through the forest. They retraced their steps, crossing the stream again and climbing over the hill. The villagers gathered to hear the story of their journey and marvel at the treasure they had found. Tim and Tom took turns describing the forest, the stream, the hill, and the ancient tree. The village was filled with joy and excitement, and the brothers felt a deep sense of accomplishment.